Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Thursday, November 7th, 2019. Just getting our day started. It is like 39 degrees and we're raining right now. It's supposed to turn over to some wet snow a little bit later. But thanks for joining me here today. Glad you stopped in. All right, we are just getting ready to get on out of here. We are at Barkeyville, Pennsylvania. Time to get our day started. All right. $342 miles to go to Wurtsboro. We should be in there before 6 p.m. Kind of a gloomy, rainy Thursday morning. Guess it's still morning. It's 11:36 to be exact. Kind of rainy, gloomy, cold. Lost another degree. We're down to 38 now. Probably looking at some snow flurries and wet snow showers over here in this part of the country. Forecast at my house as of right now is rain mixing with snow late this afternoon, turning to all snow this evening, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. So not looking forward to that since I'm going home tonight. Yeah, we're just getting on the I-80 here. We're just 29 miles inside the Pennsylvania line from Ohio. We put in a good day yesterday. We got here last night. We had 13 minutes left to drive. I want to get over to Wurtsboro though and get my drop and hook done and still have like, I'm going to have at least 4 hours to drive, even though it's only probably an hour and 20 minutes home from there. But if there's snow on the roads, it may take me double the time, so we need a little leeway there. I just got the call this morning. I do have another Huntsville, Alabama load to pick up Sunday out of Latham, New York. I was getting a little worried there because I hadn't heard from the agent. Usually they know by Tuesday or Wednesday, but Sunday's been a good load out of that place because they ship like all the time. I think the only day they don't ship is Saturday. But they get different trucks during the week. A lot of times they want team trucks so they can get it down to Huntsville overnight. But it seems like the other loads they cancel them at the last minute, change them from team back to solo driver. Sunday seems to be the only day that they don't really mess with them too much. And I think there's some stuff going on with the air freight company that we're taking this to in Huntsville. It's a big company, they're nationwide. And they got bought by another company, so there's a lot of changes going on right now. And it's even possible they might stop using Landstar, I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, we are in Port Jervis on 209. We just got off at 84. And we are heading north. Well, we got 20 miles of 209 and we'll be at our delivery. What this road does is cuts off the corner. Otherwise, I'd have to take 84 all the way over to Route 17 in New York and then come back northwest to get to the delivery. Somebody revving up their car, huh? It's one of those little rice burner deals. So we're at Kohl's Distribution Center in Wurtsboro, New York. Just kind of waiting in line here to get going. Welcome to Kohl's. Pull forward to gate. All drivers exit vehicle. Approach kiosk. Have driver's license ready. Have bills of lading ready. Okay. we can do that. Okay, we already made our delivery. I didn't do any video there. It was dark and raining, and I don't know why they didn't have any lights in their parking lot, but in their big trailer lot, it's hard to see anything. And it's raining and nasty out, so we didn't get any video of that, but we did a drop and hook there and didn't have any problems. Just about 5 miles from home now, and as you can see, we got a little bit of snow on the ground here. Temperature is down right at 30 degrees right now, and it is 9:15 at night. And we're just about done with our week. Anyway, appreciate you guys stopping in and watching the Trucker John show today. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, go ahead and subscribe if you would. I'd appreciate it. And feel free to leave me a comment down below. Leave me a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Take care now.